Hello children, we are doing class 11 mathematics, chapter 3 trigonometric functions, exercise 3.2, question number 6. Till 5 we completed already. So find the values of trigonometric functions. Sine 765 degree. Sine 65 degree we have to relate with the sines actually. So 765 degree, in that one actually 0 and 360. All of them will belong to quadrant 1. In quadrant 1 all the trigonometric functions are positive. This will be 90. So in quadrant 2, only sine and its reciprocal will be positive. Sine theta will be positive. Sine theta positive. Here all trigonometric functions are positive. Then again 180. So any value in the third quadrant, quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 actually tan will be positive. Tan theta will be positive. Then again in quadrant 4, cos theta will be positive. Cos theta and its reciprocal will be positive. Then, now it is sine 765. 765 we can relate it with 720. 720 is the multiple of 360. So, any multiple of 360 will be in the origin or at the point 0 only. That means in the starting point only. So, here sine 765. 765 I will divide by 360 is stable. 360 into 2 is 720. Remaining will be 45. So I'll write in this side sine 2 into 360. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. In that pattern I'll write. So in the answer part I'll write that is sine 765 equal to sine 2 into 360 plus 45. Write on the next slide. Sine 2 into 360 plus 45. Plus 45. Why 2 into 360? That is actually 720. So, one property is all the multiples of sine 2n pi or 2k pi. 2 pi is 360. 2 pi is 360. K will be any multiple of 360 plus theta will be equal to sine theta, because now it will belong to the quadrant 1. It will belong to quadrant 1. Any plus theta will belong to quadrant 1. All the plus thetas, 2k pi plus theta will belong to quadrant 1. So here in the quadrant 1, I am just writing once more quadrant 1. So property is it will be plus sine theta. Sine 2k pi plus theta is plus sine theta. So, answer will be, theta will be here 45 degree. So, it will be sine 45. But we know sine 45 is value. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So, it will be equal to 1 by root 2. Now, we will go to question number 7. Question number 7 is actually cosec minus 1410. Cosec minus. So, question number 7. Cosec minus 1410. Now, cosec minus theta. So, we will write that one as cosec. Now, we will do question number 7. Cosec minus 1410. So, in that one again, we will do the answer part. All the minus thetas are belonging to the fourth quadrant. All the minus theta will belong to fourth quadrant. Minus theta or 2k pi minus theta or 2k pi minus theta or that much only. All the minus thetas will belong to the fourth quadrant. So cosec minus 1410. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. Sine theta is negative in the fourth quadrant. Means cosec also will be negative in the fourth quadrant. So cosec minus theta will belong to fourth quadrant. So answer will be minus cosec theta. Cosec minus theta will belong to the fourth quadrant. So answer will be minus cosec theta. Why? Because only cos will be positive in the fourth quadrant. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine will be negative in the fourth quadrant. So it will be minus cosec theta. So we'll write that one as minus cosec 1410. Now we'll write that one as, we'll take that one as a multiple of 360. 1410 is closer to 1440. So I'll write 720 is stable or 360 is stable. 360 into 4. 360 into 4. 6 4 are 24, remainder 2, 12 plus. Remainder 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 1440. I'll take the number more than that one. Number more than that one. 360 into 4. So if I'll subtract, I'll get minus 30. Minus 30 it is. So it will be equal to, I'll write that one as minus cosec 1410. I'll write as 360 into 4. That means 1440. 360 into 4. Minus 30. That means it will be same as that of 1440 minus 30. So again, cosec 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. So it will be cosec 360 minus theta will be minus cosec theta. In the fourth quadrant it will be minus cosec theta. So not only 360, all the multiples of 360. That means cosec 2k pi minus theta. 2 pi is 360 into k. Means any multiples of 360. Minus theta will be minus cosec theta. So it will be equal to, according to this question, it will be minus sign is already there. Now minus cosec 30 it will become. Minus cosec 30. Because in the fourth quadrant only cos will be positive and the reciprocal of sine is negative actually. So minus cosec 30. But cosec sine 30 is actually equal to half. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. 1 by sine 30 reciprocal is 2. So it will be minus into minus is plus. Plus cosec 30 that is equal to 2. That is the answer. Now we'll go to question number 8. Now we'll do question number 8. Tan 19 pi by 3. In terms of radian it is. So we'll take 19 pi. Multiply with 3 is stable. 3 into 6 pi is 18 pi. So remainder will be pi. 1 pi it will be. So I'll write that one as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient is actually 6 pi. Remainder is 1 pi. Divisor is 3. So in the answer part we'll write tan 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. Which is equal to tan quotient. Quotient is 6 pi. Plus remainder is 1 pi. Divided by 3. So it is again any 360 plus theta or 2k pi plus theta will belong to quadrant 1. So 360 plus theta or any multiples of 360 plus theta belong to quadrant 1. So I'll write tan 2k pi plus theta. In quadrant 1, all the multiples of 360 plus theta is plus theta. So it will be tan 360 plus theta also I'll write. This in quadrant 1 equal to plus tan theta. So tan 2k pi plus theta will be plus tan theta. This is belonging to quadrant 1. Now here it will be tan. It is multiple of 360. That means 2 times 2 into 3 is 6. So 3 times 2 pi it is. So it will be equal to tan. If you want to write that one, 3 times 2 pi, you will write 2 pi plus pi by 3. So which is equal to tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3. tan pi by 3 is 180 by 3. 180 by 3 is tan pi by 3 is tan 180 by 3 equal to tan 60. Equal to tan 60's value is root 3. Those who want to write, they can write directly. So its answer is root 3. That is the answer. Now we'll go to question number 9. Question number 9 is sine minus ln pi by 3. Now here we'll do sine minus ln pi by 3. That is sine minus theta. All the minus thetas belong to fourth quadrant. So it will be sine minus theta is in the fourth quadrant. Only cos theta answer will be positive. So sine minus theta will be minus sine theta. Because in the fourth quadrant only cos will be positive. So in the answer part we'll write sine minus ln pi by 3 equal to minus sine pi by 3. Ln pi by 3 minus sine ln pi by 3. You got. Now we'll divide it again. So sine ln pi by pi I'll divide with 3. So it will be 3 3s are 9. So it will be 3 3s are 9. Otherwise 3 4s are. Even multiple if I'll take means soon you'll get the answer. So 3 4s are 12 pi. One more than that one I'll get. So I'll get here minus sign. When you change sign here minus 1 pi I'll get 1 pi. So again I'll use the property quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient is actually 4 pi plus remainder is minus 1 pi divided by 3. That property I'll use. So it will be equal to minus sine, minus is already there. Ln pi by 3 I'll write as 4 pi minus pi by 3. So now sine 360 minus theta again. Sine 360 minus theta equal to 360 minus theta will belong to fourth quadrant. So it will be minus sine theta. Minus sine theta. It will belong to the fourth quadrant. Now, so my sine, this 4 pi means actually minus sine 2 into 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi means 2 into 360. Any multiple of 360 minus theta. That is sine 2k pi minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So it will be equal to single bracket. So it will be equal to minus sine. One minus is already there. Minus sine pi by 3. So it will be sine pi by 3 is sine 60. Pi by 3 is sine 180 by 3 equal to sine 60. Sine 60 is actually root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will be equal to minus into minus plus sine pi by 3 which is equal to root 3 by 2. That is the answer. Now we'll continue question number 10. Now we'll do question number 10. Question number 10 is cot minus 15 pi by 4. Again, cot minus theta. Cot minus 15 pi by 4. That is cot minus theta. Cot minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant only cos will be positive. So cot minus theta will be minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. So it will be equal to minus cot 15 pi by 4. Now we will divide. 15 pi I am dividing with 4's table. So it will be 4 3s are 12 pi. Remaining will be, or 4 4s are 16 also will be possible. 16 will be better. 4 into 3 pi. Instead of taking odd multiple of pi, it is easy to do or even multiple. So I will do 4 pi it will be 16 pi. So 1 more than that one. So minus sign will be minus pi. So here again we'll do quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient is 4 pi plus remainder is minus pi by divisor is 4. So minus sign is still outside. Got 15 pi by 4 I'll write as 4 pi minus pi by 4. All the even multiples of pi, not all the multiples of 2 pi can be either odd or even. So it will be equal to minus cot. I'll just write out that one as 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 4. So it will be equal to cot 2k pi minus theta. Cot 2k pi minus theta will belong to fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cot will be negative again, minus cot theta. So I'll write one minus sign is already the minus cot pi by 4. But we know that cot 45, cot pi by 4 is cot 180 by 4. 180 by 4, that is equal to cot 45. Cot 45 is 1 actually. So it will be minus into minus plus cot pi by 4. But pi by 4 is 1, so it will be 1 is the answer. Now we'll continue the next exercise.